Hello everybody, welcome to session 10. We are going to see the understanding the Civil 3D user interface, okay? We are going to see AutoCAD Civil 3D, which is very important for engineers. We will see in detail, okay? This is the first introduction to the this software. It is very important for every engineers, okay? Especially for water engineers, for civil engineers, irrigation engineers, and like that. So we will go through phase by phase. Those who didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe so that these are very important sessions are started. So you don't have to miss every section, because one after the other will come day by day. Okay. So if you miss one class, that means you can't continue with the other. So therefore, please, to get the notification, please just now subscribe this channel, okay? That is very important for you, and share you for your friends too. Okay, let us start. First, let us see what last time we have seen about in section 9, how to create a column graph in Excel, okay? We will see interchangeably the Excel, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, GIS, Google Earth, Global Mapper. Okay, we will going to see every details of this, which we arranged the program so that everybody can understand easily and which is effective for your work. Okay, we will select the best one first, and then we'll go to the details of the others that ways. So interchangeably, we have seen how to transfer, how to import or export data from Excel. So now we will go to this Civil 3D, and we will take some time on this section, because this is very latest software for every engineers. So we will go to in detail. Okay. Yeah, so let us start section 10. First of all, before everything, you have to know what this software looks like, okay? You have to know the user interface. Otherwise, where you don't know where to do something, okay? What commands you are going to use. Therefore, the first thing is using this. To use this software, you have to know its user interface, okay? And actually it needs a knowledge of AutoCAD, the normal AutoCAD, that is AutoCAD 2007, 2012, whatever it is, which is different from Civil 3D. This is very advanced. So the understanding of AutoCAD is very important to come to this Civil 3D software, okay? So we are going to use the user interface. We will see in detail, okay? Because once you understand the user interface, you can do by yourself a lot of things. So we will see this in detail, okay? So it enhances the standard AutoCAD environment. These user interfaces are very standard. Once you set your user interface, then it will facilitate everything for you, okay? It has also additional tools for creating and managing Civil 3D design information. Very accessible, and very best tools are there in AutoCAD Civil 3D. So we will see what these are the ribbons. What are ribbon? What are quick access toolbars, and how to find them? We will see workspace. Okay, this is very important topic. And tool space window. In workspace, we see tool space window and panorama window. Okay, this is very important. What are they doing? Okay, in tool space, two windows are there. Tool space in workspace, I mean, tool space window and panorama window. So we will see both of them, but we focus on the tool space window because we have to start with this. This is after doing something, we will go to panorama window. Okay, so these are the two floating windows in Civil 3D. So AutoCAD Civil 3D commands and features are available from the ribbon. Okay, what are the ribbon? What are the ribbon? Okay, let us see from the window of Civil 3D. Okay, look here. This is the interface of window Civil 3D. Okay, then please carefully attend what I'm teaching. Okay, now these are the ribbons. Okay, these are the ribbons at the upper part. These are as we know, it is a menu bar or something in the other softwares like Word, Excel. Last time we see as a menu bar. Here they are called as ribbon. Okay, ribbons. So once, for example, if you touch one ribbon, all the tabs under that ribbon will come down. Okay, so for example, in home you will have a lot of tabs here, a group of tabs. For example, these are to create ground data. For example, pointers, surface, we will see each individually, but for the time being, the collection, look, this is to create ground data. You will use this, okay, and this. And for creating design, you will use these items. For profile and cross section, you will use this. And for drawings any object, you will use these tools. And for modifying, you will use this one. Okay, this one. So this is how it works. Okay, so therefore this is the ribbon. This is called the ribbon. Okay, so once you understand the ribbon, what's next? Okay, the ribbon is the primary user interface for accessing commands and features. All, as you see, all features, all commands are under each ribbon. This is home ribbon. It contains all these things. When you go to insert, you will get all these different ribbons, tabs, I mean, annotate. Look, when you touch everything, every toolbar comes down under that ribbon. Okay, these are the way we do. Commands available from the ribbon are organized into tabs. These are called tabs. Look, for example, this is the design tab. This is the profile and section tab. This is the edit geometry tab. This is edit elevation tab. Okay, these are tabs. So the tools or the commands are grouped under the tabs, which are the tabs are under the ribbon, and the toolbars or the command toolbars are under the tabs. Okay, these are called tabs. Okay, this is what does it mean. And each tab is organized into a series of panels, which are labeled by task. Okay, this means if you do something, it depends on your task. For example, if I click this, for example, this object, look, by itself it brings this, which means these are what you want to do on this object. So this is the way you do. Okay, so by itself it will bring you the different toolbars here. So this, if I deselect this, I select it. If I deselect it, it will come to the normal. Okay, this is how we'll do. We will go to in detail. So no, don't worry for the time being. Just understand what the ribbon mean. Okay, so you understand the ribbon. Okay, the ribbon is typically turned on, displayed by default. That means if you touch the drawing, the ribbons are coming by default. Okay, just as I seen previously, and can be displayed or removed using the ribbon and ribbon close command. So you can close the ribbon. Okay, for example, this ribbon comes when I touch this. Okay, so I don't want it. Look, it comes like this, but if I don't want it, I can close it. Or if I deselect, it will be inactive. So I'll close it because I don't need for the time being. This is what to mean. There are two basic types of ribbon tabs, okay? Static ribbon tabs and contextual ribbon task. These are very important to understand. So, static ribbon task tabs means include home, insert, all what we have seen at the top, okay? This part, okay? Until where? Until maybe under transport or transparent tab. The others are the others are not. They may be the okay. Let us see the static ribbon tab. They are home, insert, annotate, modify, analyze, view, manage, and output. These are the static ribbon tab, which means they are available anytime you open the AutoCAD Civil 3D window. And they are always displayed when the ribbon is turned on, okay? So you can switch off, but if it is on, they will come by default to your window. They contain most of the functionality located on the menu bar, drop down menus and toolbars, okay? Most of the functions are here, okay? And under this ribbon, these ribbons, we do a lot of things here. We will see each and individual, okay? Step by step. So I think you understand what the ribbon means. Okay, the static ribbon, you understand about the static ribbon tab, and contextual ribbon tab. These are contextual ribbon tabs are displayed automatically when you select an object or invoke an object specific command. For example, yeah, this means these are the contextual ribbon tabs are displayed when you select the object or when you add some command here in the command line. Otherwise, you will not see them. That means, for example, if I select this object, okay, look, these all are coming here. Just following this, whether I want to edit, whether I would want to delete, whether I whatever, it is available now. Previously, they are not here. So these are the contextual ribbon tabs, okay? When I deselect it, they will eliminate by itself, okay? So contextual tabs contain commands that are related to the currently selected object, which means all these tabs comes to give you an option what you want to do with that object, okay? And most contextual tabs can be closed simply by deselecting the object. Yeah, most of them. When you deselect the object, when you select, they will come here. When you deselect, they will, okay, they will come to the normal. That means, I think you understand what these two tabs are, okay? So the contextual ribbons are contains all these categories, okay? Assemblies, COGO, points, corridors, feature line, grading. All these are objects that we are going to do next, okay? Procedurally, we will go to the working with AutoCAD. We will do all these tabs, okay? So for today, if you understand what the ribbon is, then we will go to the next section. We will go to another the next step, okay? The next once you know understand the ribbon, then we will go to the next, so that we go to in deep. Once you understand the user interface, you can do whatever you like, okay? It is vast, wide, and complex, AutoCAD Civil 3D. But if you know the procedures and the workflow, you can do it by yourself, okay? So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, please. Goodbye for today. And next time we will come beautifully with the workspace, more on settings, okay? Bye.